I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning the feature on and verifying basics. Open Settings, go to Gaming, and flip Xbox Game Bar on. Once done, sign into the same Microsoft account that uses Xbox services so credentials stay synced. Make sure to close competing overlays or recording apps. They cause conflicts and force the bar off. You're doing these first steps to eliminate configuration problems and account mismatch, so the feature has permission and nothing else is stealing input or audio hooks. Next, reset the app and update the platform so corrupted states and driver mismatches are cleared. Open Apps, find Xbox Game Bar, choose Advanced Options and Reset. This removes bad cache states. Then update GPU drivers and run Windows Update because input capture relies on up-to-date drivers. Also open services, locate Xbox services and related background processes, set them to automatic and restart them. These steps fix permission and driver timing problems that make the bar crash or stop responding. Finally, reinstall the game bar if reset didn't work. Remove it and reinstall via Store or use PowerShell to force re-register the package. Once reinstalled, test inside a clean user profile to isolate profile-specific corruption. If problems persist, run System File Checker and DISM to repair Windows components, then scan Event Viewer for specific errors to search targeted fixes. One key troubleshooting tip. If Event Viewer shows permission or access denied entries, try creating a new user and moving to that account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.